Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ryan and we share car-related content every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday is a short snippet of any car encounter we come across, and Sunday is a full-fledged video of a car I own, a project I'm doing, or anything car-related. Now, recently, I was given the task to buy our 2-year-old son his new car seat. Now, without hesitation and the petrol head I am, I went straight to Recaro. They do passenger and race car vehicles pretty well, even airplanes. And behold, they have a whole range of baby and kids car seats, and they are actually considered one of the top car seats you can buy in the industry. Now this video is all about if this Recaro Kids seat will fit into this Porsche 997. Now we've went for the Recaro Young Sport Hero, and it's considered one of the best car seats for kids in the industry. It has side impact protection, the cloth is breathable and fire retardant. The head over here is adjustable. It's good for 9 months up to 12 years. It has a capacity of 36 kilos and it's one hell of a seat. One other things I do like about it is that it has these seatbelt latches where you hold the seatbelt in place to give you time to put it all around, so the seatbelt doesn't continuously get locked, which is a very annoying thing with other car seats. And I like the fact that these paddings over here are fixed in place and won't actually slide down and bothering the kid's neck. So that is a good point. Now this car seat is very hard to get hold of because it's always out of stock. So finally when it arrived I was happy, but I was worried because it looks much larger than our old car seat. These side impacts made it very wide compared to the old seat. And I was worried that, because it is higher and it's wider, it won't fit into the car. So let's see if it does fit into the car. Now, before we get the car seat in the Porsche, what we want to do is put the back as forward as you can and move the seat all the way to the front. Now, since we have half leather seats, we don't want to damage them by having the car seat constantly rub on them. So what we're going to do to solve that is a towel to cover the base so that there's no damage on the leather seats. Now, I really have my doubts if the car seat will fit because it seems to be a tight fit, but let's find out. Now, it's a really tight fit and you might actually want to put in the passenger seat down as well. But before you put it down, make sure obviously the seat is back because it will hit the headrest. Now the seat is in the upright position. It's not leaning to one side, meaning it just barely fits because it is touching our side plastics over here. I'm not too worried about that because this is made of cloth, so there's not going to be any wear and tear on that, but it just barely fits. Otherwise, yeah, successful that it can fit, and hopefully the kid will have so much fun in the backseat of the Porsche 997. Now obviously to fix it in place, what we'll do is extend the seat belt using the holder to keep it in place while we'll loop it through behind the straps, through the guides and buckle it in. Unlock the mechanism and make sure it tightens in with the OEM seat belt. And that should be secured in place. And there you have it, the Recaro Sport Young Hero in the backseat of a Porsche 997. It fits, but just barely. Hope this video was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.